If you run a business in the Pine Tree State, this video will help you understand Maine business insurance requirements and some of the other commonly purchased commercial policies available. Maine business insurance helps protect your company and potentially your personal assets from lawsuits, claims, and settlements that can reach into the millions. What type of business insurance is required in Maine? Maine requires only one type of commercial insurance policy and only under specific circumstances. Workers' compensation. Maine requires you to have workers' compensation insurance if you hire even one employee on a regular basis. This includes part-time employees, family members, minors, and immigrant employees. Independent contractors do not count as employees, but if these contractors employ subcontractors, the subcontractors must be covered by a workers' compensation policy. Any other policies and coverages are optional for your business to purchase. There is not one small business insurance policy that covers every risk. There are different commercial insurance policies that cover various accidents, damages, and lawsuits that could financially devastate a small business in Maine without the right protection. The most common optional policies are general liability, commercial property, and business auto. How much does Maine business insurance cost? The main factors that determine the cost of small business insurance in Maine are location, industry, claims history, gross sales, number of employees, payroll, deductibles, policy limits, years of experience, number of vehicles, and others. In general, the riskier the business is and the larger the business is, the higher the premiums are. Typically, small businesses in Maine pay between a few hundred to a few $1,000s per year for general liability insurance. Speak with a Maine licensed commercial insurance broker to get an exact price. Where do you get a Maine business insurance quote? Call the Maine Business Insurance Quote Line at 855-767-7828 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time to start your free quote, or simply click on the link below.